What's the meaning of capacitance? Capacitance. Capacitance.
Capacitance. Capacitance. Capacitance is a measure of the ability of an object to store electrical charge. It is defined as the ratio of the amount of charge stored on one plate of a capacitor to the potential difference between the plates. The unit of capacitance is the farad, F, which is equal to 1 coulomb per volt. Capacitors are widely used in electronic circuits for their ability to store charge and regulate electrical current. Higher capacitance allows for greater energy storage and improved filtering capacity, making capacitors an essential component in many technological devices.